Welcome to KnoStairs, a quick introduction. This is a resource and guidance site for anyone wanting to work with staircases, designers, architects, in the workshop or on site. And because of that, the home page will introduce you to those 4 stages. We have a design stage, basic design principles, design pitfalls, how to enhance it, and various other design options. We have the drawing stage. This is the important part. This is what sets everything out and needs to be controlled. What you need to know, how to use the information, you know it, and some of the information that's best to know before you start drawing. On the workshop side, we'll be looking at how to manufacture different things like cutting the strings, fitting the newel post, how to set the newel post out, the handrails, how to make those, how to cut the joints. And then on site, obviously, how to fit all of this, how to do some of the restoration projects we get involved in. And here we have some of the projects that we've done over the years that when I was out on site. I still get involved as a consultant, but not so much now. The Start Here section is a good place to start if you're fresh to staircases, still learning, or if you want some further information and want to know how to do it from the start. We'll have an introduction to the basics such as rises, goings, stairwells, pitch angles and different things like that. We have a stair drawing checklist, the information you need to know before you start doing the drawing, which is just a sort of quick cheat sheet so you know you have everything and you're not wasting your time drawing it and having to go back and redraw it. The centre line, obviously a very important part. Without the centre line, you won't know where to put your stringers and you won't know how the handrail flow is working. And then the stretch out, which obviously you just need to confirm once you've drawn all your staircases that the flow is working correctly. The staircase glossary we are now using as our main index. From here you can jump into the staircase parts. So if you look at the staircases, you can go into the staircase and read more. And this will start to give you like the featured tread designs, staircase layouts, and then how to draw different parts. And as you can see here, we're giving spindle designs. Here we have things like the stands which we use when we're setting up the handrail. So we'll give you hints and tips onto little tools and cheats that help you when you're out on site fitting. And here we also go in more about stringers. The different designs here, like the stringer to landing transition, and you go into there and see some of the options that are available down there. So the glossary is going to be the main index, and from there you can work down through to get the information you need on the different sections. And as we're building this, it's getting more and more information on it. There's quite a lot of them there already, but why not sign up to our newsletter and we'll keep you up to date with what's going on and when it's available. We hope this quick introduction's helpful and hope you have fun looking around the website.